Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve root 3 plus root 2 whole power m is equals to 5 minus 2 root 6 and we have to find the value of m. So let's start with the today's video solution. So root 3 plus root 2 whole power m is equals to 5. We can write it as 3 plus 2 minus 2 times root 6 as root 3 times root 2. Now 3 we can write it as root 3 square. Similarly 2 as root 2 square minus 2 times root 3 times root 2. Now it becomes a very famous identity, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it is a formula of a minus b whole square where a is root 3 and b is root 2 whole square. Now I am going to multiply with the conjugate of this. So root 3 minus root 2 times root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2 with whole square. Now in numerator it becomes an identity a plus b, a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So root 3 square is 3 and root 2 square is 2 by root 3 plus root 2 whole square. So 1 by root 3 plus root 2 whole square. Now according to exponent rule, 1 by x whole power 2, we can write it as x power negative 2. So root 3 plus root 2 whole power m is equals to, we can write it as root 3 plus root 2 whole power negative 2. Now if we compare both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So the value of m is negative 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.